So, hello friends, I'm Shivansh Srivastava, mentor of students. So, today we are talking about your strength and weakness and differentiate between strength and weakness. आज मैं आपके बात करने वाला हूँ आपकी strength और weakness और बताने वाला हूँ strength और weakness की difference. Yes, so I'm Shivansh Srivastava, mentor of students. I am also saying you to see full video, okay? Full video to know about all my text that I am saying by my mouth. Okay, so let's get started. And what is strength and what is weakness? You know, strength क्या है और weakness क्या है ये आपको पता है? You don't know. The strength is a positive attribute. The strength is a positive attribute and a positive thinking and a positive activities that is done by you or anybody. That is strength. एक ऐसी पॉजिटिव थिंक, कोई अच्छी सोच और अच्छी थिंकिंग, अच्छी एक्टिविटीज, दिस इज स्ट्रेंथ. ये होती है हमारी शक्ति. एंड व्हाट इज वीकनेस? द वीकनेस इज द negative attribute and the negative thinking and negative activities that is done by you or anybody. कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपकी गंदी सोच, गलत सोच क्या है आपके अंदर, गलत एक्टिविटी आपकी क्या है, वो होती है हमारी वीकनेस. आपकी कोई अंदर से कोई प्रॉब्लम like a weakness, this is only you have to improve this weakness. Also how to prevent this. हम लोग इसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, वीकनेस को हम लोग कैसे हटा सकते हैं और वीकनेस को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड सम आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो. द इन माय साइड, इट इज साइड कमिंग ऑल और सम स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो लाइक अ discipline, creative, art, and writing skills, communication skills. This is coming in this side. Okay, and weaknesses is coming in this side only. Shy, saying no to anybody, saying yes to anybody, all things. But saying yes is not every strength. Saying yes means anyone you say to come with me, saying yes, no. Or saying yes, you are saying say yes to all. But something in the some place we have to use no also and yes also. So this is placed by yes and no also in our weaknesses. Yes, okay, positive, okay. And how can we prevent and how can we save our weaknesses from other? अब आपकी जो वीकनेस है वो आप कैसे बचा सकते हो, कैसे पता नहीं लगने दे सकते. We can prevent this weaknesses by locking and saving our weakness. अब हम लोग उसको बचाएंगे. अब कैसे बचाएंगे? This is topic. We have to not say, we don't have to say our weakness to anybody like an interviewer or a god also. क्या भगवान भी आके आपसे पूछ ले कि आपकी वीकनेस क्या है, तब भी आपको नहीं बतानी. ओके, सॉरी, तब भी आपको नहीं बतानी. Why? Because when you say to anybody the weakness, like I can say the story of a weakness also. The story of the weakness is a story of Ramayana. You can see and read also. Ramayana आपने पढ़ी भी होगी और देखी भी होगी. In the Ramayana, the a part is of the Ravan. Ravan's strength is 10 hands and 10 heads. उसकी जो 10 सिर और उसकी 10 भुजाएं थी, वही उसकी स्ट्रेंथ थी और वही थी उनकी. But weakness, what is weakness? The stomach part, between the stomach between the stomach, Nabhi. We can say Nabhi in Hindi. Okay. He has the Amrit, means pause means like Amar. अमर हो गया था वो, ऐसा कह नहीं सकते थे. But in the love of brotherhood means the brother of the Ravan is only for the Vibhishan. Vibhishan said to in the my brother's Nabhi is the Amrit. Yes, Amrit. And when the Sri Ram roped the arrow and then killed the Ravan, and Ravan was died. क्यों? उसकी वीकनेस किसने बताई? अब देखो, अगर उसकी वीकनेस पता चल गई ना, इस वजह से. This is why I am saying to not say this to anyone and not to anybody that you are father, mother, anybody. Okay? Confirm? Don't very kind. अगर आपने भूल से किसी को बता दी हो तो आप उससे कह दीजिए. Sorry for this. I am said बेकार. मैंने बेकार कह दिया, मैंने वो कर दिया. Okay? You have to say this only. But I am saying, and how can we prevent? आपने ये मैंने तो ये आपको बता दिया. But I would have to say that please see all my videos in the motivational speech I have delivered also. Okay? And how can we and one more thing, you have to see the motivational thoughts and motivational movies and read some epics also to save your weaknesses. Okay, this is all my video. Overall strength and weakness, I have said all about the weaknesses. Please say it, comment for any type of theories. Please check in my DM also. Why? ओके, थ्योरी कोई भी हो, आपकी कोई भी परेशानी, कैसी भी हो परेशानी, कितनी भी खराब क्यों ना हो, कैसी भी हो, एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव, यू कैन टेल टू मी. ओके, as this is okay, please go and like my video. For this type of educational videos and motivational and guidance video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow in my Instagram ID. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.